वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज के इस वीडियो में कुछ लेक्चर्स नहीं है, आज सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस हैं। सो अभी तक जितना भी कवर कर चुके हैं उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस है, 15 क्वेश्चंस है विथ आंसर्स। सो यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट, और जो क्वेश्चन नहीं सॉल्व होता है राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। तो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट रिपीट द क्वेश्चन। Xenon crystallizes in face center cubic lattice and the edge length of the unit cell is 620 picometer. And then calculate the nearest neighbor distance and what is the radius of the xenon atom. This is the first question. Question number 2 is calculate the approximate number of cells present in 1 gram of gold given that gold crystallizes in face center cubic lattice. Bracket में दिया हुआ है molar mass of gold is 197 U, that is not 4, 197 U. U means atomic mass unit. Question number 3 is potassium metal crystallizes in face center arrangement of atoms where the age of the unit cell is 0.574 nanometer. What is the shortest separation of any nuclei? Any two nuclei होगा, यहाँ पे 2 कर लेना, any two nuclei. Okay. Next one is question number 4. The unit cell of a silver face centered cubic age length 4.086 Armstrong. Then calculate the following. First bit is the radius of silver atom, second bit is the volume of the silver atom in centimeter cube, third bit is the percentage of the volume of the unit cell that is occupied by the silver atoms, fourth bit is the percentage that is empty space. Okay, question number 5 is a metal crystallizes with BCC structure with a density is 19.3 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate the length of the body diagonal of the unit cell. Atomic mass of the metal is given 183.9 U. 6 का 2 बिट है, A and B. First bit is given. Sodium metal crystallizes in body center cubic lattice with cell age length is 429 picometer. Thus the radius of atom is, radius of the atom कितना होगा? Okay, and the 6th का B bit is a compound contains two types of two atoms X and Y. Its crystal structure is a cubic lattice with X atoms at the corner of the unit cell and Y atoms at the body center. The simplest formula is. Question number 7 is in a face center cubic lattice, atoms of A occupies the corners of the cube and atoms of B occupies the face center positions. If one of the atom of B is missing from one of the face centered point, then the formula of the compound is. Okay, question number 8. A crystal is formed by two elements P and Q. The element of Q forms cubic close packing and the atoms of P occupy 1/3 of the octahedral void. The compound is thus represented as. Question number 9. Copper has a FCC crystal structure assuming an atomic radius of 130 picometer for copper atom. Copper का atomic mass is given 63.5 U. Then calculate the following. A is what is the length of the unit cell of copper. B is what is the volume of the unit cell. C is how many atoms belong to the unit cell. D is find the density of the copper. Question number 10 is a metallic element exists as a cubic lattice. Age length of the unit cell is 2.88 Armstrong. The density of the metal is 7.20 gram per centimeter cube. Then how many unit cells will be present in 100 gram of the metal? Question number 11 is the density of silver is 10.6 gram per centimeter cube and silver crystallizes in FCC system. Calculate the length of the cell is. Atomic mass of the silver is given 107.9 U and we have to take Avogadro number is 6 into 10 to the power 23. Next one is question number 12. Question number 12 में a compound is formed by elements X and Y crystallizes in cubic structure where X is at the corner of the cube and Y is at the 6 faces centers. What is the formula of the compound? If the side length is 5 Armstrong, estimate the density of the solid assuming atomic weight of the X and Y as 60 and 90 respectively. Okay, next question number 13. Number of unit cell in 240 gram of element X which is given having a molar mass of 40 unit which crystallizes in BCC pattern is Y. Then what is the value of Y? Question number 13. A unit cell consists of a A unit cell consists of a cube in which there are anions Y and at each corner and cations X at the center of the alternate faces of the unit cell. What is the simplest formula of the compound? And question number 15. A unit cell consists of a cube in which there are A atoms at the corners and B atoms at the face centers. and A atoms are missing from 2 corners in each unit cell, what is the simplest formula of the compound? So these are the 15 questions and these are the answers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6A and 6B, 7, 8, 9, you can say the 10, 11, 12, 13 and 15. These are the questions and these are the answers. Just complete these questions and match your answer with these answers. जो क्वेश्चंस नहीं बनता है just write in the comment box. I will do it in the next video. Thank you.